So you own a Rivian, you have a flat tire, or you just want to take off your wheels to clean or ceramic your calipers, and you're wondering, well, how the heck do I lift this thing up? Well, unless you purchase the optional spare tire from Rivian, my advice is to go ahead and get this puck, which you will need to jack the vehicle up. And there's a magnetic tip. This is magnetic, and it snaps into the frame, and it gives you a solid surface area to jack up on. Now you can either use an air jack or your regular jack on this, but I'll go ahead and go through the process. And if you want, this is the cheapest, most affordable, best quality puck I could find for under $50, and it comes in a set of 4. And really, you can't go wrong with these. It's solid aluminum, and it's a really good quality puck for the price you would pay if you went to Rivian. So let me go ahead and go step by step on how to put this into tire service mode and how to go from start to finish on removing a Rivian wheel. So you're going to want to go into your drive mode selection, select it here, and then you're going to want to select off-road mode. And once you select off-road mode, you're going to want to pick your all-terrain. And you're going to want to choose the highest ride height. So if you go here, you can look here and just go ahead and choose Regan, which is going to get you the highest height. The air suspension will go ahead and go into the highest mode. Now the purpose of this is so you're extending your airbags to their highest mode, and you're not, when you're lifting the vehicle up, you're not just lifting the airbag. So it's doing that for you. And this will also let you know if your jack is going to go high enough or not before it actually starts lifting the body of the vehicle off. So once you have the ride height adjusted and your suspension is now fully adjusted, you're going to want to go back into settings. And you're going to want to go into vehicle. Once you're in vehicle, you're going to click on service. After you get to service, you will see the tire change area here, and you must be in park, in all-terrain, and the highest mode, and then click this. It'll allow you to start a tire change. And essentially this is going to enable your vehicle to shut off your ride height mode so that your vehicle is not fluctuating, or there's no dangers of you lifting the vehicle while you're lifting the vehicle, having a suspension height change on you. So we're going to turn that on, and now we are in tire mode. So after this, we're going to go to the lugs, crack the lug nuts, and remove the wheels. After you crack the lug nuts, then you're going to want to lift the vehicle up, and we'll go on that next step now. Next, you will simply next crack all of your lugs with the breaker bar. You're not removing the lug, you're just cracking it so that when you lift it off the vehicle, the tire's not spinning while you're trying to remove them. Now, Rivian wheels are one of the highest torque wheels out there, 140 foot-pounds. So there's going to definitely be a lot of torque. You're not going to get it off with just a ratchet. You'll need a super long breaker bar to remove these high torque lug nuts, because they're at 140 foot-pounds. Most cars are around 100 foot-pounds in contrast. Alright, so after you crack your lug nuts, you're going to see the cap, this round cap right on the rail here, and you're going to want to go on the inside and push. That's going to release the cap, and you'll see your insert for your puck, and I'll just show you what that looks like. So you're going to grab your puck from your kit and simply insert that into the hole right here, and then that's going to snap in here, and it'll allow you to have a surface area to jack on.